Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. It's a cult fave for a reason. Short of cleaning your kitchen, there's nothing the showbiz Vitamix can't do. With pro-quality precision and control, it can make everything from perfectly smooth nut butters to creamy soups and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily shift on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests, easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and margs in seconds. It's an investment, but you won't find a better performing, more durable pick, and it's a fraction of the cost of other Vitamix models. One note is that the carafe is on the small side at just 6 cups. KitchenAid K150 blender. The 3-speed ice-crushing blender was our top pick in the under $100 price range. With its high-quality design, this blender looks and performs better than most blenders in its category. Its picture is on the smaller side with a 6-cup capacity, but it still allows you to easily whirl up a super smoothie in one batch. In our testing, the smoothie still had a little bit of texture from strawberry seeds, but was still very creamy and thick. The broccoli and leek soup also had a little texture, but was just as silky as you would want from a pureed soup. Unlike most blenders on the market, this one has only 3 speeds and a pulse setting. With a minimal design, this blender is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. If you have a little more money to spend, consider the KitchenAid K400 variable speed blender. It has a larger capacity, more blender settings and produced great results in our tests, all at a competitive price compared to other high-powered blenders. NutriBullet ZNBF30500C Blender Combo 1200 Watt. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches, and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies in pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars. All were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed liqueur. The base is not much larger than previous NutriBullet bases, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. Just remember to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base instead of the blade mounts. It's easy to accidentally make a mess. Oster BLSTPB-WPK My Blend 250-watt blender with travel sport bottle. The Oster My Blend is our top recommendation for making smoothies or protein shakes to take on the go. Drinks can be blended directly in the sport bottle, meaning no extra dishes to do. Simply fill the jar with ingredients, twist on to blend, replace the blade with the lid, and you're off. Of note, this machine does well with fruit smoothies and protein shakes, but it doesn't perform well with tough leafy greens. Breville BL 620 SIL The fresh and furious countertop blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yields a smooth and creamy texture with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button, which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup with a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and stained a little from tomato sauce.